You ever have a wig that you get and right out of the package, it's just not working. This is the new Emma monofilament from IMSTYLE Wigs. My very first monofilament from them, and I am so excited to be able to work with this one. So let's go. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and I'm going to hang it upside down, and we are going to apply heat to the monofilament. I'm going to do it for about 10-15 seconds. Under. Okay. We've got some good heat in there. Let's just let this cool down for a couple seconds. And I'm going to do it again. Down. Now I'm going to give it a blast with a cold shot. Okay, and yes, it's nice and cool. So let's put this back on and let's see what we're looking at for volume. Okay, that's getting there. All right, let's get it on here right now. What I want to do is I want to give this one more of a left-sided part. Okay, so we're getting somewhere with this. This is exciting. Okay, so I'm going to just pull this all back, and I'm going to use my hot comb. I've got mine at about 10. This one goes to 20. I don't know what the temperature is, so we're just going to kind of get down to the root. Ouch, don't burn yourself. Okay, and then we're just going to let this sit. And let it cool down. You can even pull it up high. And then just let it go. So look at that already, you guys. That was just with hanging it upside down and then a little bit of heat with the hot comb. So that's beautiful. Now, if we want to, now it looks like this one has some, let's just get this parted differently here. This Emma is so pretty, you guys. Take a look from all sides. Isn't she pretty? And then again, you have that hairline, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to cut a little bit of this lace off a little as well, but let's just keep working on this for a minute or two. Let's just pull this back. Just to give it a little bit of oomph there. And again, right here. Don't burn yourself. These hot combs get hot. Okay, and let it go. Now this is way better than falling right directly into my face. I'm loving this. What do you guys think? See how simple that was? Okay, now I want you to see just how much lace there is there. I'm just going to take my little sharp scissors. So 1 second. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but like right there, there's that excess. I'm just going to cut some of that off. Now I'm going to come up close so you guys can see how I do this. I've had people asking me about cutting lace. So I'm just going to go, you want to make sure you get all the hair pulled back. And you just want to go close to the hairline. So can you see that? See that piece I'm cutting off? I'm still leaving a little bit of the lace there. You don't want to cut the hair. So this would be the same as if you're cutting like the 13x4 lace, any lace. This is the same kind of cut that you're going to do. I tend to use pinking shears, but I thought for this I would try this out with the straight scissors. And then I'm just going to take that off. So now we're left with a little bit of that mono lace. So let's put this back on. Now because you've applied the heat to it, it's going to stay the same way until you change it with heat. Oh, this is so pretty. What do you guys think? So this is Emma from IMSTYLE Wigs. I think she would be really pretty if you put a little bit of a curl in her. Yeah, I love her. So again, Emma from IMSTYLE Wigs. My very first monofilament from them, and I'm in love. Have a good day. Have a good hair day.